it's not really a kit as such, but just so much fun. Hello, this is BJ from Hearns Hobbies, and I've got something really fun today. This is the brand new Bandai Gashapon Machine. So if you've ever been to Japan, or maybe you haven't been, you may have heard about gachapons. So gachapons are basically a vending machine. Japanese are famous for their vending machines, and you can see them on the sides of streets, but quite often you'll see them inside retail stores. And they'll have little capsules in them. So you put your money inside it, turn the little dial to release the ball, and it'll make that gacha 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 sound by the time it hits the bottom. So hence that's where the name comes from. So gachapon is the gacha gacha as it's coming down, and the pon is when it hits the actual area. So there you go, gachapon. You got this little capture ball. Now the idea is they normally come with small collectible items, sweets or something like that. And Bandai have made this little version, because Bandai actually make the full-size ones too. They can use at home. So let's have a closer look at the insides of it and see what this is all about. But I guess I'll just move this to the side. It'll probably help if you saw what actual size gachapon looks like. So this is a standard size gachapon, which is dispensed out of those machines. And then the whole idea is you can see the ball, but you don't know what's in it. So it's a lucky dip type of thing. Now if we open this up, it does come with 12 of its own capsules, and that gives you an idea of how the size differs. So similar sort of shapes, got a flat bottom, you see, a bit like that one, and they crack open in the center, and you can put whatever you like in them. So idea is you can use these for birthday parties, office parties, so Christmas parties. Put little gifts in them. Everyone goes up and uses a little token, puts it inside, does a gacha gacha gachapon thing, and then they get a little surprise little present. Okay, so that's the first thing you see there. So these are 12 little gachas capsules. Let me put the real gachas just over there. All right, let's just unbox this. It's quite big. It's 30 centimeters. So just undo this section here. So there's a bit of packing. All right, so this has got the tokens. So these are meant to represent the 500 yen coins that you'll normally use. So quite often there'll be 500 yen. You'll have the 500 yen coin, which is roughly $5, I guess. Pop it in the machine, and you have a little bit of fun with what you're getting. Okay, so you get 4 of those. And just carefully pull this out. So you see it's pretty much assembled from the factory. Okay, so you've got a section here. This that'll be the cap. Move this. And here we go. Here's your gacha machine. So in all respects, it's the same shape as a Bandai gacha machine. So quite often you'll see 2 of these stacked on top of each other. So hence you see this cut out here. This is designed so you can stack these on top of each other and have multiples. So idea here is this is your loading area. And then this is the front, of course, so you can see all the little balls. So load it all up inside. Your little token goes into here. You get your little button here, which you would normally press if you want to cancel or abort your coin, and then your coin will come back down here. And then this is what you turn, and it's got that standard sort of clicky sound. Ball will get pulled out, and then it'll just be dispensed here. As simple as that. And then obviously if you don't have another one, then you've got your cap here, and so you've got your single gacha machine there. Pretty cool, I think. Brings back a lot of memories. So if you've ever been to Japan, Narita Airport, there's sections on the lower floor where there's just full of these machines. Or if you go around town, around Tokyo, you've got these in all the shops everywhere. So there's the Bandai Gashapon Station, miniature gacha machine. Comes with the 12 empty capsules, so you can put wherever you like, put some sweets and things. Take to your next party, get everyone to use one of these tokens, pop it inside, turn your little thing, get a little gacha, comes out. Heaps of fun. So, thanks for watching. This is a great little nostalgic sort of toy. So, it's not really a kit as such, but Just so much fun.